Good evening, students. Today we are going to discussing about these are the body fluids and circulation. Body fluids and circulation. The very important lesson. Body fluids and circulation. The body fluids are the main body fluids are blood and lymph. Blood and lymph are body fluids. Body fluids the produced and secreted by liver and lymphoid organs. Lymphoid organs. These are the body fluids. The blood and lymph are body fluids. Body fluids produced and secreted by liver and lymphoid organs. The lymphoid organs. The first one is the blood. The blood is the blood. It is the fluid connective tissue. Blood is fluid connective tissue, and also the study of blood is known as hematology. Hematology. The study of blood is known as hematology. In the adult human beings, adult human has an average the 5 liters blood. 5 liters blood. These are the blood. The study of blood is known as hematology, and the blood is the fluid connective tissue. The adult human has the an average 5 liters blood present there. It is the hematology. The blood has components. For example, we will take the blood one test tube, the blood, and we will add sodium citrate and sodium oxalate. Sodium citrate and sodium oxalate. Sometimes after the centrifuge, after these are the inner side of the some components are present there. The main the 55% of plasma and 45% of blood cells. The 55% of plasma and 45% of blood is present in the total blood. The plasma and blood cells. So what is the plasma? The plasma is the straw-colored fluid, and also 90% of these are the mainly the 90 to 92% of water present in the plasma. And these are the other components, plasma proteins. These are the 6 to 8%. The 6 to 8% of proteins, plasma proteins present in the plasma. The 90 to 92% of water, and 6 to 8% of protein, the plasma proteins. Plasma proteins present in the plasma. These are the 6 to 8% plasma proteins. What are plasma proteins? The plasma proteins are mainly plasma proteins. The plasma proteins, the first one is the globulin. The first one is the fibrinogen. The second one is the globulin. The third one is the first one is the and globulin, and also the prothrombin. The prothrombin, the fibrinogen, the globulin, and the prothrombin. These are the main proteins, plasma proteins are there. These plasma proteins, the first one is the fibrinogen. The fibrinogen has an important role in these are the clotting, blood clotting factor. It is the blood clotting factor. Now here 0.3% of plasma proteins present in the plasma. Plasma proteins present in the plasma. It has an important role in these are the blood clotting factor. Blood clotting factor. This is the fibrinogen. The globulin. The globulins also. The globulins. The globulins are used for the. Globulins are used for the. These are the mechanism. The defense mechanism. The globulins have an important role in these are the defense mechanism in our body. The defense mechanism in body. The globulins are mainly the three types of globulins are present there. The alpha globulins. The second one is the beta globulins. The third one is the gamma globulins. Gamma globulins. This is alpha globulin, beta globulin, gamma globulin. Alpha globulin secreted by liver. Alpha globulin secreted by the liver, and also these are used for the defense and the defense. These are used for the defense, and the beta globulins. The beta globulins are also beta globulin. These are secreted by liver, and also these are also used for the defense in our body. The next one is the gamma globulin. The gamma globulins are antibodies, produced by antibodies, and also secreted by lymphoid organs. These are the globulins. The beta globulins and gamma globulins. Gamma globulins, these are the produced the antibodies. The antibodies are these are also known as the immunoglobulins. These are the immunoglobulins. These are also known as immunoglobulins. These immunoglobulins are the Ig. These are 5 types of immunoglobulins are there. The IgG. The first one is the IgG. The second one is these immunoglobulins. The immunoglobulins are the first one is the IgG. The first one is the IgG, and the second one is the IgA. The second one is the IgA, and the third one is the IgM. The fourth one is the IgE, and the fifth one is the IgD. These are the immunoglobulins. The immunoglobulins are there. The majority of immunoglobulins are IgG. The IgG immunoglobulins are present in the majority of immunoglobulins are the IgG. These are the total immunoglobulins. The immunoglobulins secreted by lymphoid organs. Very important one, lymphoid organs. These are the immunoglobulins. And the fibrinogen is the blood clotting factor. The fibrinogen, they use by the thrombin. The thrombin converted thrombin, in presence of thrombin, the fibrinogen converted into the fibrin. These are the thrombin. Thrombin also the 0.3% in the plasma proteins. These are the plasma proteins. The fibrinogen, globulin, and albumins are also present there. The albumins are also used for these are also defense in our body. Defense, and the coagulation factors are there. The coagulation factors. The anticoagulation and coagulation factors. These are fibrinogen, globulin, and albumin. These are the plasma proteins. These are the plasma proteins. The next one is the organic substance and inorganic substance in the plasma. Organic and inorganic. What are organic? The organic substance such as the first one is the organic substance. Organic substance, these are the glucose and amino acids. Glucose, amino acids, fatty acids. The fatty acids and other molecules are etc. These are organic substances present in the plasma. And also inorganic matters. Inorganic matters, sodium ions. Inorganic matters, sodium ions, the magnesium ions, and also the ferrous, and other elements. The other inorganic elements present in the plasma. In plasma, some of the heparin is present in the heparin. The heparin present in the plasma. The heparin has an important role in the important role. Do not clot blood in the blood vessels. Now it is the anticoagulant factor in our blood vessels. These are the heparin present in the plasma. Plasma used for plasma has an important role in these are the transport of gases and transport of food materials in our body. Food materials in our body, it is the plasma. The plasma, 55% of plasma present in the blood. 55% of plasma and blood cells. The next one is the blood cells. The blood cells, these are also known as blood corpuscles. Blood cells, the blood cells are mainly the two types of blood cells, three types of blood cells present in the total blood. Now the first one is the RBC. The second one is the WBC. The third one is the thrombocytes or platelets. RBC, WBC, platelets. The RBC, the first of all RBC, these are also known as erythrocytes. The RBC, the red blood cells, these are also known as erythrocytes. In our body, the 4.5 to the 5.5 million for 1 cubic milliliter. 1 cubic milliliter. These are the number of erythrocytes. The 1 cubic milliliter, 4.5 to 5 million erythrocytes present in our blood. These are the erythrocytes. The production of red blood cells is known as erythropoiesis. These are the erythropoiesis. The erythropoiesis, the production of red blood cells in bone marrow. In our bone marrow, this is the bone marrow. The bone marrow has the osteocyte cells present there. Osteocyte cells. The osteocyte cells secrete the stem cells. These stem cells secrete the red blood cells. So these are known as the erythropoiesis. The erythropoiesis, the production of red blood cells is known as erythropoiesis. These blood cells are the round shape, circular shape. The circular shape and biconcave shape. These are the biconcave shape. And also the RBCs do not have these are the nucleus. The nucleus is absent in the red blood cells. These are the biconcave shape, and also these are circular shape, and biconcave shape, and these are the nucleus is absent. Non-nucleated cell. These are the non-nucleated cell, but in some mammals, llama and also the camel erythrocyte has nucleus. These are the nucleocytes. The nucleocytes are formed in our is known as red blood cells in blood is known as Rowlets. This is known as Rowlets. The erythrocytes, the RBC, the mainly the red blood cells that as used for the red blood cells as an important red blood cell as an important role in the transport of gases or transport of gases, the oxygen and carbon dioxide, and also the RBCs RBC as an important role the transport to the enzymes, hormones, vitamins and also vitamins etc. These are the RBCs. The RBC as one enzyme, this is known as carbonic anhydrate. The carbonic anhydrate carbonic anhydrase hormone, carbonic anhydrase enzyme present in the RBC. It is used for these are the transportation of carbon dioxide. This is the red blood cells, and these are the red blood cells. The red blood cells has the lifespan of red blood cells, the 120 days. The 120 days lifespan of red blood cells, 120 days. The 120 days after, these are the destroy in the destroy in the spleen. So spleen is known as graveyard of red blood cell. This is known as graveyard of RBC. What is graveyard of RBC? Spleen is graveyard of RBC. These are the spleen is the largest lymphoid organ. The spleen is the largest lymphoid organ. These are the RBC. The RBC contain the hemoglobin. The RBC contain hemoglobin. The hemoglobin is the two parts. The first one is the heme part, and the second one is the globulin part. The globin part. Heme and the globin part. The first one is the heme, and second one is the globin part. The heme part has the two parts. Heme has these are the ferrous ions and also the porphyrin part. This is the porphyrin part. The four ferrous ions. Are formed. The ferrous ions, the heme and globin. The heme and globin part is it is the protein part. Globin is the protein part. Heme is the porphyrin part. These are the ferrous and iron and the porphyrin part. The four iron molecules are bind with oxygen and carbon dioxide. The oxygen and carbon dioxide. This is the heme part. The globulin part. This globulin is the protein part. This protein part has mainly the polypeptide chains. The four polypeptide chains are there. These are the globulin is the protein part. This is the globulin. These are 95% of the hemoglobin. The 95% of globin present in the hemoglobin. The heme is the 5% of heme and 90% of globin. The 5% of heme and 95% of globin. The hemoglobin, the globin has the polypeptide chains, four polypeptide chains. The first one is the alpha chain, the alpha peptide chain, alpha polypeptide chain, and the second one is the beta polypeptide chain and gamma polypeptide chain. The alpha, beta, gamma, and also these are the delta polypeptide chain. The four chains are alpha chain, beta chain, gamma chain, and delta chain. The four chains are each chain has the amino acids. The amino acids are present there. These are for example, alpha chain has the 146 amino acids. Very important one, 146 amino acids. And beta and gamma delta chains as delta chain has these are the 141 amino acids. These are the 141 amino acids. Okay, hemoglobin, heme, polyethylene iron part. Globulin is the polypeptide chain. It is the protein part. And alpha chain, beta chain, and polypeptide chains. These are the polypeptide chains. Alpha chain has the 146 amino acids, and beta chain has the 141 amino acids, and all the gamma polypeptide chain 141 and delta 141. Total globulin has the amino acids. Globulin has amino acid polypeptide chains. This is the hemoglobin. Now here hemoglobin, hemopiesis, and the production of red blood cells. That do not have the production, less production of hemoglobin, less production of RBC is the these are the erythrocytopenia. It leads to the anemia. It leads to the anemia. The less production of RBC in bone marrow is known as these are the erythrocytopenia. It leads to the anemia. So it is known as these are RBC. RBC lifespan 120 days. 120 days after we destroy in the spleen. The spleen is the graveyard of red blood cells, and also these are the spleen is the largest lymphoid organ. It is known as the RBCs. The next WBCs. The WBC, these are also known as leukocytes. The RBC, the WBC, the white blood cells, leukocytes, lack of hemoglobin. So the WBCs are leukocytes, the white blood cells. These are the white blood cells. These are the 6,000 to 8,000. The per cubic milliliter. 6,000 to 8,000 WBCs are present. The leukocytes lifespan, these are the 12 to 13 days. They are produced by liver and kidneys. They are 12 to 13 days. 12 to 13 days lifespan. The leukocytes, the production of leukocytes is known as the leukopiesis. And also overproduction of leukocytes. Leukocytes causes to the cancer, that is known as leukemia. Blood cancer. Now 6,000 to 8,000, these are the 1 milliliter, these are the 1 cubic milliliter, the 12 to 30 days lifespan. The WBC has the circular shape, round shape, and also it has these are the nucleus. The nucleated cells. What are nucleated cells? WBCs are nucleated cells. These are nucleated cells. Now here the WBCs are mainly two types. The two types. The first one is the WBCs are mainly two types. The granulocytes and agranulocytes. The granulocytes, these are the granulocytes. Now here the white blood cells, and it has the nucleus and the cytoplasm is present there. In cytoplasm, some granules are present there. These granules are present there. So these are known as granulocytes. The granulocytes are mainly three types of granulocytes are present there. Three types of granulocytes. Granulocytes are mainly three types. The first one is the acidophils. Acidophils. The second one is the basophils. Basophils. Neutrophils. Neutrophils. The acidophils. The acidophils. The cytoplasm is there. These are the two lobes. The two lobes. The granules are present there. These are the granules. Nucleus divided into two lobes. Nucleus divided into two lobes. The cytoplasm and cell membrane. Cytoplasm, granules, and nucleus. Granules, nucleus. These are the acidophils. These are stained with the acid base. They stained with acid base, and these are protect and the fight against the allergy and parasites. These are the acidophils. The acidophils are the mainly the 2 to 3%. 2 to 3% of the acidophils are eosinophils present in the these are the WBCs. WBC 2 to 3%. These are the acidophils. The next one is the basophils. The basophils are less number of basophils present in the blood. These are the 0.5 to 1% of basophils present there, and these are the basophils. The basophils the S-shaped nucleus divided to the S-shape, and these are the granulocytes. Granules are present there. The granules are present there. The base is stained with the basis days. Basis days. These are the basophils. The basophils. These are the bases. The cell membrane, cytoplasm, and also granules. The S-shaped are 2 or 3. The lobes present in the 2 or 3 lobules present in the nucleus. These are the basophils. The next one is basophils. The less number of basophils present in the WBCs. The next one is these are the neutrophils. The neutrophils are the 60 to 65% of neutrophils present in the WBCs. The 60 to 65%. These are also known as the mainly the neutrophils are the phagocytic cells. These are the phagocytic cells, and also these are the microscopic policemen. These are also known as microscopic policemen, and these are the cells. The cell. Now here the nucleus divided to the more than one lobules. More than one lobules. These are the more one lobules. The granules are present there. Granules are present there. The cytoplasm and the cell membrane, cytoplasm, granules are present there, and the nucleus divided to the more than two lobes. These are the neutrophils. They stay with the nucleus. They stay with the nucleus. These are also known as the microscopic policemen. These are microscopic policemen. These are the granulocytes. 60 to 65% of neutrophils present in the WBCs. The next one is the A granulocytes. The A granulocytes, the mainly two types of A granulocytes are present there. The A granulocytes, two types of A granulocytes. The first one is the A granulocytes. The two types of A granulocytes. The first one is the lymphocytes. The second one is the monocytes. Monocytes. The lymphocytes, the without granules. The lymphocytes These are the more number of, these are the smallest size. The lymphocytes are the mainly the 20 to 30%. 20 to 30% of lymphocytes present in the WBCs. 20 to 35%. These are the 20 to 35% without granules, and these are the large nucleuses present there. The large nucleus, the lymphocytes are used for the defense and formed to the antibodies. The lymphocytes are mainly these are the B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. The B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. The T lymphocytes are also the helper TH and TC cytokines and helper cells. These are used for the defense and also the form to the antibodies in our immune system. The lymphocytes are the used for the in our immune system. These are the lymphocytes. The 20 to 30% are there. The cytoplasm is present there, and a large nucleus is present there. Large nucleus and also large nucleus and without granules. These are the lymphocytes. The monocytes are also known as, these are the amoeboid cells. The amoeboid cells, these are also phagocytes. The amoeboid cells and also without granules are there, and these are the nucleus is the bean shaped or kidney shaped. Nucleus is bean shaped or kidney shaped, and also these are the monocytes. The monocytes are the largest size of cells. These are the monocytes. The monocytes, these are the 6 to 8%. The 6 to 8% of monocytes present in the WBCs. The WBCs are used for the mainly defense in our body. These are the WBCs. The total WBCs are 6,000 to 8,000. The overproduction of WBCs causes to the leukemia, that is the blood cancer. Leukemia. The next one is the platelets. The platelets are also known as thrombocytes. The platelets, these are also known as thrombocytes. These are also known as thrombocytes, and non-nucleated and biconvex shaped. The RBCs are biconvex shaped and dumbbell shaped. These are the biconvex shaped and non-nucleated and the oval shaped. The thrombocytes, the biconvex shaped, non-nucleated, oval, and RBC, the biconvex shaped and circular shaped, non-nucleated. These are thrombocytes are the biconvex, non-nucleated and oval shaped. These are the platelets. The platelets are the main lifespan of platelets. The 7 days or 1 week. These are the 1 week. These are the platelets. The platelets lifespan, and the platelets are used for the coagulation, blood clotting functions. The functions. These are the platelets. The platelets are in our body. These are the 1.5 to 3.5 millions for 1 cubic milliliter. 1 cubic milliliters. These are the number of the platelets. 1.5, 1,50,000 to 3,50,000 platelets present in the blood. These are the platelets. Okay, understand platelets. The next one is the blood groups. The blood groups, the mainly blood groups are produced, discovered by the Carl Landsteiner. Carl Landsteiner, Carl Landsteiner, 1901. He got a Nobel Prize 1930. These are the Carl Landsteiner. The Carl Landsteiner discovered the blood groups, the four types of blood groups. The first one is the A blood group, second one is the B blood group, the third one is the AB blood group, the fourth one is the O blood group. These are the four blood groups are there, and these are the genetically these are the six blood groups are there. These are the mainly pleiotropy. Pleiotropy. Do you know about pleiotropy? The pleiotropy means these are the more than one genes, more than one genes control the these are the number of functions, number of the characters. That is known as pleiotropy. The best example of pleiotropy, blood groups. The blood groups, the mainly n into n plus 2 by n plus n, the n into n plus 2 by 2, n into n plus 1 by 2. These are the blood group pleiotropy. The principle, pleiotropy principle. The first one is the A group. The mainly the blood groups depending on antigen and antibodies. The antigens are present in the erythrocytes. Already I told you these are the blood corpuscles and the plasma. These are red blood cells and white blood cells, the platelets. These are the red blood cells. The red blood cells have the antigens and the plasma has antibodies. Antigens and antibodies. Depending on according to the present or absent of antigens and antibodies, the formed the blood groups. The discovered blood group. These are the blood groups are mainly four types. According to based on the antigen and antibodies. The antigens are present in the erythrocyte, surface of erythrocyte, and the antibodies are present in the plasma. First one is the antigen. The human beings, which one has this blood group, which one will have blood group, the erythrocytes, depending on. These are the A blood group. A with the erythrocyte, the antigen A is present there, and also the plasma has antibody B. This blood group is known as the A blood group. What is A blood group? The in A blood group will have antigen A on the RBC and antibody B present in the plasma. This type of blood group is known as A blood group. The next one is the second one is the blood group. This blood group this blood group will have the antigen B present in the surface of the erythrocyte or RBC, and the antibody A present in the plasma. These are it is known as B blood group. The AB blood group. These are the erythrocyte. In this blood group, the erythrocyte have the antigen A and antigen B, and also the plasma do not have any antibodies. These are known as it is the AB blood group. The next one is these are the O blood group. What is O blood group? O blood group means the antigens are absent on the surface of the erythrocyte, and the antibody A and B antibodies are present in the plasma. These are known as the blood groups. It is known as O blood group. The A blood group, B, AB, O blood groups. And also the blood group. For example, the first one is the A blood group. And antigen A, erythrocytes RBC, plasma, antibodies, and these are the blood group. The first one is the blood group, A blood group. The erythrocyte antigen A is present, and also the antibodies B, A and B. The next one is the B blood group. and B anti B and A. The next one is the AB blood group and A and B and absent. The next O blood group absent and AB antigens. AB antigens. These are the blood groups and also these are the patient receiving blood is known as recipient. The recipient and the person give the blood, those are the donor blood group. Donor blood group. The recipient blood group, donor blood group. These are the recipient. A blood group give given the A and A blood group receive A and O blood group. A blood group recipient of A blood, this is a patient like that. The A blood group patient the receive from the A and O blood group. The next one is the B blood group, B and O blood group. Receive from B and O blood group. And AB blood group, the AB, BA, B and O blood group. A, B, A and B, O blood group. The O blood group, these are the only O blood group. Only O blood group. Receive from only O blood. These are the O blood group. So these are it is known as the universal recipient. What is the universal recipient blood group? The AB blood group is the recipient blood group. The universal donor. The O blood group give the all blood groups. So these are the universal donor. What is the universal donor? The O blood group is the universal donor. These are the universal donor. The next one is the RH blood group. RH blood group discovered by Karl Landsteiner and Wiener 1940 Karl Landsteiner. And also the RH blood group in India, the 80% of the worldwide 80% of RH positive blood group present there. RH positive. These antigens are present in the erythrocytes. And in India, 97% of people has RH positive blood group. The RH positive blood group, these are the very important. For example, RH plus father, RH minus mother in marriage. These are the second fetus will die. This disease is known as erythroblastosis fetus. Erythroblastosis fetus. Whenever this marriage is the incompatible marriage link, the RH plus and RH minus, the RH positive and RH negative. For example, the father RH plus and mother RH plus, no problem. These are the father RH minus, the mother RH minus, the no problem. The correct in the compatibility marriage. And for example, the RH minus father, RH plus mother. These are the compatibility marriage. The RH plus father, RH minus mother, it is the incompatibility marriage. The why because these are the antibodies are formed. The antibodies are formed. So this is known as the erythroblastosis fetus. The blood clotting factors are there. The blood clotting, the coagulant factors, very important coagulant factors. The coagulant, anticoagulant and coagulant factors. Now we are talking that whenever in our blood vessels, whenever the blood vessel, it is a blood vessel, whenever blood vessel injured, then these are the physiological functions are activated. The physiological functions are activated. So these are some of the coagulant factors are activated. For example, 13 coagulant factors are present there. 13 coagulant factors are present there. The first one is the fibrinogen. Second one is the prothrombin. fibrinogen, prothrombin, thromboplastin. Thromboplastin. The fourth one is the calcium ions. Calcium ions. The fibrinogen, prothrombin, thromboplastin, calcium ions, and the fifth one is the fluoxetine. Fluoxetine. And the sixth one is the no referred. And the seventh one is the convertin. The eighth one is the anti-hemophilic factor. Anti-hemophilic factor. And the ninth one is these are the Christmas factor. The 10th one is these are the plasma anti-thromboplastin. Anti-thromboplastin A. And the 11th one is these are the 11th one Stewart power factor and stabilizing factors are present there. Stabilizing factors, the 13 factors are there. The parallel factors mainly the steps, 3 steps are present there. The first step 1, second one is the step 2, the third one is the step 3. The 3 steps are there. The first step, it has the mainly the 2 types, the intrinsic factor and also extrinsic factor. Intrinsic factor and extrinsic factor. The intrinsic factor, for example, in the blood vessels, the inner side of the blood vessels, in the inner side of the factors. For example, the 12th factor. These are the Hegman factor. The Hegman factor activated and formed to these are the prothrombin activated. The prothrombin activator, and these are the cascade reactions. Cascade means these are the cascade as water flow cascade reactions. The extrinsic pathway and also the 7th factor, the 12th factor, 7th factor. The 7th factor is the proconvertin. The proconvertin the activate the prothrombin activator. The prothrombin activator, prothrombin convert into the thrombin in presence of calcium ions, thrombokinase. This is the first step. This is the second step. These are prothrombin activator. The second step, prothrombin convert into thrombin in presence of thrombokinase and the calcium ions. The next third step, the fibrinogen convert into the fibrin. This is the soluble to insoluble. The fibrin, it is the thrombin in presence of thrombin. Calcium ions. These are formed to the network. So it is the covalent factors. The next one is the circulation, blood circulation. Blood circulation is mainly the type of circulation, open type circulation, closed type circulation. The open type circulation is the do not have blood vessels, blood flow one chamber to another chamber. So that is the open type circulatory system. Closed type circulatory system. The closed means blood flow in the blood vessels. That is known as closed type circulatory system. And also the circulation is mainly 3 types: the single circulation and incomplete double circulation. The double circulation, these are the mainly these are the 3 chamber to 2 chambered heart to 4 chambered heart. 2 chambered heart in fishes. The fishes 2 chambers, one atrium and one ventricle. And also these are single circulation. Only one time the blood through the blood go to the the heart. This is the single circulation. The double incomplete. These are the fishes too. The amphibians. The amphibians have the three-chambered heart. Three-chambered heart. The two articles, and one ventricle. These are the three-chambered heart. The incomplete double circulation system. Double circulation. And reptiles and mammals have in the reptiles the incomplete fourth chamber is present. These are the fourth chamber. The next one is the mammals. The apes and mammals, the fourth chambered heart, the two auricles and two ventricles. This is the double circulation, complete double circulation. The mammals and these are the apes and mammals. These are the circulatory system. Very important one. Have to be. Okay. Thank you.